It's time to do a real-world test of the solar generator and also my solar system. As you can see, the solar system is generating about 4,800 watts right now. We are sending back to the grid any excess energy that isn't being used by the house. Load is the power being used by the house, and AC is the energy being sent back to the grid. If there was a minus sign, that would mean we are receiving power from the grid. You might notice that it says the battery has a load on it of 19 amps. This isn't accurate. It only does this when I'm selling back to the grid. Most of the time it's accurate. As you can see with the clamp-on meter, the battery isn't doing much of anything right now. We are disconnecting from the grid now. The inverter will think we have a grid failure and will totally disconnect and stop sending power to the grid. The solar panels will only generate enough energy to power the loads in the house and charge the batteries if needed. Of course, it will only do this while the sun is shining. When it gets dark, the solar system will use the batteries to power the house. Since I only have about 4 kilowatt hours of energy in the batteries, I won't use much power after dark, mainly for the water pump. After the power walls get here, that won't be a problem anymore. This is my downstairs freezer. It is connected to a power strip that is connected to an extension cord that goes upstairs, which is connected to the solar generator. Also connected to the power strip is an extension cord that goes into my office, where I have it powering my TV, computer, router, and a few other things. I will keep these things powered up so there will be a little load on the solar generator. Coming up the stairs, the extension cord goes into the kitchen and is connected to the solar generator. I'm using my universal charger to charge the solar generator. As long as there is sunlight, I can do this. I will turn off the power supply before the sun goes down. I wouldn't want to power the solar generator from the solar system batteries. I have another power strip connected to the solar generator. Plugged into it is the Dometic portable freezer. Also connected to the power strip is another extension cord connected to my main refrigerator freezer. I'm going to reset the counters in the SBMS and test the solar generator charging and discharging for less than an hour. As you can see, the constant load is less than 200 watts, while we have 660 watts coming in from the solar panels. Not a lot of energy usage considering all the things I had connected to the solar generator. Although I did see it go to almost 400 watts for a short period of time. In our test, the batteries received 440 watt hours, while our load was only 172 watt hours. Even on light, cloudy, rainy, or snowy days, the solar panels should be able to keep the batteries charged. If the weather is really bad, I can still connect the battery pack to keep the critical loads powered up.